मुझे ना बचपन से पहाड़ों से बहुत प्यार है। नानी के घर जाने के लिए 1 घंटा चलना पड़ता था, पर जब मंजिल तक पहुंच जाते थे तो उसकी अलग ही खुशी होती थी।
Hello everybody. So welcome to the episode 2 of Kerala series. So guess where are we? We are ready to go and visit this place, and we are at Munnar, the Scotland of India, as it is said. So today we'll see कि सच में Scotland of India है कि नहीं. So what are we going to cover here? So I'll tell you everything about it, and maybe घूमते हुए I would not be able to tell you everything, but right now I'll tell you where we'll go, and at the end of the video I'll tell you everything that is important for you to roam around in Munnar. So let me take you with me to visit Munnar. लोग आ रहे तो ऐसे शर्म आ रही है। रुक जा, So we are going to rent a scooty again here in Munnar so that we can move freely around, and I'm just enjoying this walk so much. And let me take you to the scooty center, and from where we'll rent the bike, and then we'll move to visit the beautiful places of Munnar. So just come with me. क्या सोचा था guys?
हमने सोचा था कि हमें स्कूटी मिलेगी,
बट हमें स्कूटी मिल नहीं पाई है।
तो हमें मुन्नार का टूर ऑटो में करना पड़ा था। इट्स गुड, हमें दोनों तरफ से व्यू दिख रहा है, ऊपर छत का नहीं दिख रहा है बस। जब हमें स्कूटी में दिखता था, इट्स ओके, वी कैन मैनेज इट। ओके, या राइट।
नहीं, आई विल डू इट विद शीतल।
ओके देन फाइन। सो शी इज शीतल, शी इज नॉट पीहू।
हेलो एवरीवन, सो हम आ चुके हैं हम अभी इको पॉइंट पे। सो मुन्नार का ये इको पॉइंट कहते हैं कि यहाँ से अगर आप आवाज़ देते हैं तो आवाज़ इको होके वापस आती है। तो लेट्स सी आती है कि नहीं आती है। वी आर हियर एंड आई डोंट नो अबाउट एनीथिंग, बट आई एम लविंग द ग्रीनरी हियर। इट्स सो ग्रीन, लाइक आई कांट सी एनी अदर कलर एक्सेप्ट फॉर ग्रीन एंड द ब्लू स्काई। सो लेट मी टेक यू विद मी। आ चुके हैं जहां मैं आना चाहती थी, स्पेशली मुन्नार। मेरी बकेट लिस्ट में इसलिए था क्योंकि यहाँ कश्मीर में तो कन्याकुमारी की शूटिंग हुई है। सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस वेयर चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस हैज़ बीन शॉट। सो एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल, लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल। इट्स so green, and this is the place where Chennai Express has been shoot, and I am in love with that song. अगर मुझे मौका मिला, I want to make reel on Kashmir में to Kanyakumari, but we don't have network here. So but the view, let me tell you, the view is so beautiful, and all these leaves, all these greenery is such amazing, so amazing place, and I'm in love with it. I'm in love with Munnar. Everyone, hope you liked the vlog, and so all I had to tell you is I was not able to tell you everything while visiting the places, because obviously this is my first time and I'm too shy to speak in public. But yeah, let me tell you that we had to pay 600 per person for the elephant ride, and yeah, it was worth. If you have never been on an elephant ride, then only try it, because it's only for just 5 minutes. So yeah, it was good. It was very good for us. But yeah, it's up to you if you want to do that ride. The favorite part of for us was the tea gardens and the greenery that we were here, because when we came here in Kerala, we had a particular thing for every city. Like we wanted to visit the Atrapalli Falls in Kochi, and then we wanted to see the tea garden in Munnar, and then next destination we have something in our mind. So here the main thing was the tea gardens, and they were amazing, like beautiful and green and just the way I thought, and much more beautiful than it. So all I can say is, once in a life, visit Kerala. It's really a God's owned country. So thank you for watching me. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. And if you liked it, please comment, share, and subscribe. This is so weird, but yeah. So thank you so much.